That's our first place car going through the double-double. Nice, looking good.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Crestwood RC Raceway for season opener 2025 and we're going to go on E-BUGGY for the mains. We just finished our first two qualifiers. Unfortunately, there was an issue on race 1, qual 1. I was in the first heat and all of our stats got messed up because they had the race time loop set for too short of an interval. So I don't think I got an accurate count. Qual 2 went better, but somehow overall I've sorted in 11th overall, so I'm starting in BQ, first in the BMAIN in E-BUGGY. I think I just missed out on my double mains, because you get a double main if you're running A's. So I think I'm only be able to get in race this once in the B group. We'll see how that goes. No changes to this. This is the EB48 2.1. with a Hobby Wing Gen 3 XR8 speed control, and you know what? The Gen 3 saved me today because I accidentally reversed polarity hooking up a battery, and this speed control took it like a champ. It didn't even turn on. It didn't do anything weird. It was just, and it wouldn't activate. I was like, what's going on? And I looked, and I had my battery bullets plugged in backwards. It didn't seem to care at all. So it has a really good protection for that. There is no external cap pack on that speed control. One of its features is reverse polarity protection, and well, we tested it and it works great. It's cold and windy today. It's like 7 degrees Celsius today. That's ridiculous for the last day of May. Way too cold, way too windy, but we're gonna go out in this main. Hopefully we can win it. Also, one of the most important things in off-road is your tires, and I am running some old J Concepts Reflex, and I believe blue compound. I've ran these in previous years. I think these tires are going on 3 to 4 seasons old. I just keep nursing them through. I keep re-gluing them when they blow a bead, but tread wear is seeming appropriate, and now that the track has kind of dried out a little bit today, they're not caking up as much as they were in qual 1. Now they're hooking up great, and hopefully they stay that way for the mains. All right, here we go. E-BUGGY BMAIN starting in pole position. Now I've just heard that first two will get a bump to the A, so there's a chance that if I get in the top 2 in this, I will get a bump to the A main. That will be the plan, and then I've got double mains to do. So yeah, there could be a lot of racing. I just realized I gotta put on another battery just to deal with that potential situation. So I've got a brand new Genzace Redline 2.0 charging that I'll show you guys when we get back.
All right, guys.
Let's go, Jimmy.
Okay, let's get guys checked in. Everybody go ahead and do a practice lap, and we'll get you checked in. Be careful. Be careful. Oh, God help us. Oh, easy, guys. All right. All right. I think we're okay. Riley, are we okay? You can handle that? Oh, yeah. Okay, I see we got Owen there. Okay, we're all good. Okay, I'm going to just start this race, and I'm going to hand it over to Ken because I'm going to go get me E-Truggy ready. So Marshall's ready. Driver's ready. Top 2 go to the show. Get ready. 10 minutes. 10 minutes of powered KV action. Oh boy. What an Estro in the second lane. Just be careful. There's a car in the middle.
And I can't see with the marshals all over.
All right, guys. Try to keep apart from one another. You got 10 minutes. Lots of time. I'm going to hand it off to Ken. All right, guys, we're a minute in. We got John out front, followed by Brad, Emil, Jim, Taylor, Dave, Shady, Carolyn, Brock, Owen, Pat, and Raymond. So
All right, you got your leader coming down the step down around the big sweeper. Making his way down the front straightaway right now. That's our first place car going through the double-double. Nice, looking good. There you go. Nice. We also got the fastest lap of this race as well, 28.7. Nice. We got Jim Rogers is in second. We're followed by Brad and Taylor, Emil, Brock, Dave, Carolyn, Owen, Pat, and Raymond. We're started getting this sorted out here after that first turn at the end of the straightaway. Got a little hectic there.
Oh. I'm done. Only just a half track.
Alright, your second place car is going through the double-double right now. First place has got about a half track lead on them. Top two will advance to the A-main. You got some clean track ahead of you, John. So, no marshals on the track, no cars in the way, just put in your laps. We got Taylor's worked his way up into third. He's an all-pink car going through the double-double.
Out of the way.
Let's see if he can catch Jim. Jim's only a couple corners ahead of him. Taylor had a bad start to the race. He's recovering from. There we are, picking one away. Going on the inside of Pat there right now. Nice job, guys. And here we go, and that moved Taylor into second. Second place cars, you all pink, going through the double-double, and top two will bump to the A. You got some clean track ahead of you, Taylor. A couple corners. Take it easy. Drive nice. You got the leader down here. He's coming into some traffic right now through the double-double. He's going to try and pick his way through. Just have respect for each other. If the leader's coming up behind you, he's lapping you. So he's faster.
Leaders in the yellow wheels. Whoa, first crash.
Oh, the leader got hit there. That's allowing Taylor. Taylor's maybe half track behind. There's 5:30 to go. I think he's got to worry more about Jim catching him from third than catching John. Jim's about 2 corners behind Taylor for third. Going through the double-double right now. Good. Pretty nice smooth race for everybody after a rough start. Everybody calm down. Looking good.
Oh, come on.
Alright, so we got John, Taylor, Jim, Brad, Emil, Dave, Carolyn, Brock, Owen, Pat, Raymond. So Carolyn has a chance to catch Dave Turcotte, and they both have a chance to catch Emil. That's for 4th, 5th, 6th. Alright, so you still got John as your leader. And he's got the fastest lap of the race too, 28.5. Taylor's holding on to second, 28.9. So your leader's coming down the front straightaway right now behind Pat. There he is. He got by. No, oh, got it wrong a little. Oh, good. Got the good roll. Taylor's plugging away. He's coming down the straightaway now. The pink car is your second place car. He's in a bump up spot, so he doesn't have to be too crazy. It's nice to win it, but he doesn't need to win it to move on. Oh, there you are. And you guys got 3 minutes to go. So right now, Carolyn's in 6th, and she has a chance to catch Dave for 5th. Carolyn's that nice purple car going down to the north side, going up the hill, down the hill right now. I don't know if that's Dave, if she got around or not, but we'll see once they come to the loop. Well, Carolyn got around Dave. Yep, so now Carolyn's in the 5th. Good job. We got John, Taylor, Jim, Brad, Carolyn, Dave, Brock, Owen, Pat, Raymond, and Emil. All right, minute 35. It's pretty well staying the same right now with John, Taylor, Brad, Jim, Dave, Carolyn, Brock, Owen, Pat, Raymond, and Emil. It looks like Dave got back around Carolyn again for 5th. You guys got a minute 15 to go. Jim dropped down. Brad's made his way up to 3rd. Oh.
1 minute left.
1 minute to go. There's Taylor.
Leader.
Let's just see where Brad is here. Oh, we got one upside down after the drop off. Okay, good, it's clear. All right, 25 seconds to go. There's no issues. It looks like John and Taylor are going to be the two that bump up to the A.
Five, 4,
3 seconds to go.
1.
Keep going, guys. Keep it going.
I'm the leader.
Okay. When you guys hit the line, you're done.
And we did it. First place. Woo! All right. Win.
Oh, you're down? Yeah, okay, bro.
The race is completed.
All right, so John and Taylor are your two to bump up to the A main. And Brad was 3rd.
All right, I got a bump to the A main. Nice. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Now I got to marshal a 15-minute nitro BMAIN buggy. I had to quickly figure out some battery situations, and thank you very much to Genzace. I've got this Freshie Redline 2.0 6300 that I've never even ran, so I've got this charged up. I've got the battery that I won with charging up again because there's double A mains. So I get to run this car in 3 mains today, a B and then 2 A's.